Hello, my name is Paul Christensen and I manage a technology team within the Red Hat Global ecosystem. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the operator framework and the early adopter program. To kick it off, we're going to review the Red Hat Partner Program, and we're going to give an overview of the early adopter program. We'll also talk about the operator framework and certification requirements. The program was put together about 15 years ago to ensure that ISVs and Red Hat would have a way to cooperate around new and emerging technologies. The intention is to build an affinity with the Red Hat product portfolio and leverage that cooperation as a marketplace advantage. In order to accomplish this, we created a self-service portal to provide product information, knowledge guides, FAQs, and Red Hat training and other resources for the partners. The portal is called Red Hat Connect and is commonly referred to as Connect. The program can also provide access to the product roadmaps so that we stay aligned as partners on what is coming down the pipe. We offer no-cost R&D subscriptions, commonly called NFRs or not for retail subscriptions, and the partners can use those for testing. We provide co-marketing resources and ultimately product certification and the listing in the Red Hat Container Catalog. The Early Adopter Program, or EAP, is the conduit for Red Hat and the partners to collaborate on new technology in an informal setting. In the past, this has been done with OpenStack, virtualization, container runtime technologies, major RHEL releases, and other products within Red Hat's portfolio. It is open to a small group of partners who are working on a particular technology. In this particular case, it's Kubernetes operators. The benefit to the partners involved with the EAP are a curated workflow, which means we can help with registering the partner and getting them set up in Red Hat Connect. We can also assist in certifying their application. Partners are also able to contribute to the best practices related to this particular technology as it evolves. And during the EAP, Red Hat encouraged the partners to blog or otherwise promote the technology, and we help highlight these efforts up to the product launch. We also have opportunities to engage in other communication activities as they become available. The Operator Framework EAP is centered around an open source toolkit to manage Kubernetes native applications. The ISVs involved are invited to the Operator Framework Special Interest Group, commonly also known as a SIG, which is organized under the OpenShift Commons events. There is a limited number of participants in the EAP due to the extended help that is offered to the partners to get their application certified. I also need to mention that the EAP is time-boxed. It's not perpetual, and there is a start and a stop date. This particular EAP will be kicking off in mid-October and lasts until the OpenShift Container Platform 4.0 is released. We request feedback about the program after it is ended and will strongly encourage partners to contribute to the Operator Framework knowledge space during and after the EAP. A brief overview of the work that we want to accomplish. We want the partners to be active in the Operator Frameworks community. We also want them to contribute best practices around operators and Kubernetes in general. We'll want them to build operator images using the tooling that Red Hat provides. This is the Operator SDK, or you can use the Helm SDK, which actually builds an operator from a Helm chart. We'll want the partners to get the operator certified, and we'll want them to be involved in marketing and promotion activities. We'll want them to provide feedback, as I mentioned before, and once certified, listed in the Container Catalog and upcoming Kubernetes Marketplace. This is a listing of the Couchbase operator in the Red Hat Container Catalog today. They've been one of the partners they've been working with on a dev preview operator prior to the kickoff of the EAP. The next slide is a listing of the Kubernetes Marketplace that the operators will be listed in. Only certified partners will be able to publish to the catalog and list in the marketplace. Certification requirements. A certified operator needs a certified application. So here's a quick overview of the certification requirements for both. For a certified application, a partner will need to register with Connect, agree to the partner agreement, fill out an export compliance questionnaire, and make sure that the image passes the Red Hat scan. The operator image itself will need to do the same, but the operator image will also require a CSV file, which is literally a metadata file that needs to be included in the listings in the Kubernetes marketplace. To assist the EAP participants with using the operator framework tooling, the Red Hat Ecosystem Engineering team has put together a set of webinars that the partners can utilize to get started. Part 1 is an overview of Kubernetes and getting started building an operator using a Helm chart. The SDK series is more advanced and dives deeper into building more mature operators. We'll also be putting out some webinars on advanced topics in the future. So if you want to learn more, probably the best place to start is to get involved in the Operator Framework Special Interest Group. So you can fill out this questionnaire here, and someone will reach out to you and discuss getting you involved in the EAP. Or you can contact Red Hat directly at connect@redhat.com. Thanks so much for your time, and I look forward to working with you in the EAP.